it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So today we're going to go ahead and have a look at how you can make money online listening to audio. So let's just jump straight into this. The site we're going to look at today is this one here called Human Attic. So this here, you go ahead and you can sign up for free, and how you do this, so you listen to a recorded phone call, you answer a simple question with the click of a button, and you earn real money with Human Attic. Sounds simple, doesn't it? So if we scroll down here, who is Human Attic? Have you ever called a company and heard the operator say, this call is being recorded? Well, that is this company here, Human Attic. Human Attic. And how this works is they go ahead and they help clients review their calls, and then once they've reviewed the calls, they then give them feedback in the form of a report, and then this goes ahead and helps the company identify which calls are doing well, where they need to work, where they need to focus on, etc. So if you scroll down here, why work for us? You can create your own schedule and make as little or as much as you like. So it's free to join. You can go ahead, it's free to join, and you don't have to make any phone calls or receive any phone calls. You don't have to have a live conversation with anyone. Basically, all you're going to do is you log into Human Attic. Well, first of all, you would sign up to Human Attic, and it's free to join, and that you get paid via PayPal. And then what you do is you log into the website, and then they have all of these different calls that you can go ahead and listen to, and at the end of the call you get two options. One of them is a click, and the second one is to go ahead and give feedback to them. And as you can see here, they've got over 50,000 freelancers working around the world, and it's simple. It's really simple to do. You just click here, sign up now, and that's it. You'll be joined. So if we just scroll back up here, let's click on Human Attic reviewing. So if you were to click on the join, you'd go through to this page here. In order to join Human Attic, you must have a valid and verified PayPal account. That's the only pullback, if you like, as to joining this program. You must have PayPal because they do go ahead and pay you by PayPal. Now, you're not going to go ahead and earn thousands of pounds with this. I was doing some research online about this before I shot the video, and I found this here. Found this here. So let me scroll down here. Can I work full-time for this company? You have the option to work full-time, although it isn't recommended. It's a great way to earn some extra cash on the side. Do I have to live in the United States? No. So Human Attic, you can join this company from anywhere, wherever you are based in the world. It's absolutely free to join, and anyone in the world can join that. And you can see here, overall Human Attic is a good website, but don't quit your day job. So they give you the opportunity to make a little over $50 a week. So it's not going to make you a lot of money, but in terms of a little income coming in on the side from listening to a 2-minute phone call, a 5-minute phone call, it's pretty simple to do, and anyone can do this. You don't need any special skills or anything like that. Now, the last thing what I found out about this company is they have a minimal withdrawal of $10. So you have to earn $10 before you can go ahead and withdraw any money from them. And once you log into the website, you will face a screen. Obviously, you're on a website, so you'll face a screen which has all of the jobs and logs available for the day. And simply, you just click on a log, go through, listen to the log on your computer or your phone, and then just provide feedback on that. And it's as simple as that. So no special skills needed. Anyone can do that. Anyone in the world you can join from anywhere in the world, and it's free to do. But you do need a PayPal account. So this is the website, Human Attic. I'll drop a link to this below for you so you can go ahead and have a look at this. They're available on all the social platforms, so if you wanted to go ahead and ask them any of your questions direct, you can do. You can see that they're on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+, and Instagram. But in terms of earning some extra money online, it's a little simple one to do. It's an easy one to do, and anyone can get started on this. And it doesn't cost you anything to get started with. So this is this one for today, Human Attic. I'll drop a link to this below for you, and then you can go ahead and have a look at this. So very quickly, if you're new here, my name's Mark. This is my blog, not taught at school. If you're interested in earning money online, then feel free to go ahead and have a look at my blog, because as you can see on here, I'm updating this pretty much every day, and I cover different ways that you can earn online, whether that's from cryptocurrencies, whether that's through a product review, whether that's flipping products on eBay or Amazon or Etsy or Fiverr. And we'll go ahead and we'll look for genuine ways that you can earn online, and then we review them, and then we also put a review up on the blog. And I also have a free members area, so you can go on here on the right hand side, and I've got a members area. So I've got one members area for making money online, and then another one for blogging. So go ahead and join that. Go ahead and join the members area. It's free, and there's courses in there, there's ebooks in there, and they're all pretty cool. So that's enough for today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.